Looks good. So you put that bolt in?
I put all those bolts in.
Oh, I see.
Plus I put those bolts in on the posts.
Okay, this is the part of the wraparound porch where the walkout basement is. And if you look here where the door is, where that concrete pad is, there was actually supposed to be another post. But we did not want a post directly in front of those doors. So we doubled up this beam here. There's 2 beams instead of 1. So James was just bolting those 2 beams together. And so since we added extra beams, that's strong enough to hold the roof without there being a support there. And actually, it's 3 beams. You can see it here. Babe, you're doing a really good job.
It's hot today, very hot, like 800 degrees hot.
Back at it again, putting all the screws in the decking. You are a monster. Working on the back part of the porch now.
Well, I'll have to pull it in. Looks like you're looking about. Go ahead and bring it.
The last board, the back of the wraparound porch. What you doing, Eli?
I'm playing with Levi.
And who else?
And Pappy.
Yeah. Pappy's a good pappy.
Yes.
What? I see that.
Yes.
Nothing like ending a hard day's work with more work. James wants to hang a new tree stand in the woods, so after working all day, I mean all day, he just put together this tree stand and all of its parts, and now we're taking it into the woods to hang it. Thankfully, it gets dark earlier now, so that means we're in the camper earlier now. Levi and I are riding on the back, and Eli and James are on the tractor. He's gonna get you. Even though it's October 1st and it's fall, it's 91 degrees outside.
With me, Mom.
Okay, I'll do it with you. So we're playing in the water sprinkler. Elias loves it.
Set,
Go! Go, Eli, go!
blink alone.
So James and I bought a bathtub for the boys' bathroom on the second floor the other day because we need to get into the house before all the interior doors are in, otherwise it won't fit into their bathtub. So we picked it up and I need it out of the truck because I gotta go to Kelly Brothers to pick up more 2x4s today. Needless to say, I'm here now unloading the bathtub by myself. Wish me luck. That actually wasn't too bad. James, hopefully when you watch this, you'll be proud of me. That window goes there.
Okay.
Hey, Mommy. Is there a tool?
Much plywood here.
Burning more trash. In the house today, James is working on adjusting the door sizes. We were originally told that all the interior doors per code as of 2019 in Kentucky is that they have to be wheelchair accessible, which is what, 36 inches?
Yeah.
But then the inspector said that he wasn't going to follow that because that's ridiculous. So now we're adjusting all of our doors to make them smaller because 36 inches is a really big door. So James is doing that, and then out here, Darren and Donald Duck are working more on the wraparound porch on the backside. Right now I'm just picking up all the boards and putting them on the deck so that Donald Duck can come around and grab them and use them to put on the deck in the back. Levi is working very hard to help build the house. Levi! All of the back porch is now done. All this. And starting on the last side. Putting Tyvek tape on the back of the house. Excellent. Very good. The front door is delivered.
If I don't do that, I'm gonna go to.
Prepping for the door. The wraparound porch is completely done. Over here. The back part. It's our deck. And then this side. Back to the front.
Good morning.
Levi. Morning, babe.
Morning.
It's okay. James, what are you working on today?
We're working on putting the soffits up.
It rained a lot last night, so it's really muddy, but we're still working on the house because we are running behind schedule and we don't want to be in the camper for forever, so we're still working on it. Here's James. Elias, are you cold?
See my boat right here?
Yep.
It's my boat.
That's your boat? Okay. Progress. That much done.
Yeah. I got
Okay, so we've had a little system going on tonight and it works really well. I'm over here with the soffit and I'm cutting it with the scissors, and when James cuts it, he makes it look really easy, but it's harder than it looks. And then Elias runs the piece around to the back of the house where James is, and then James puts it up on the soffit. So this is where I've been cutting. And today,
You gonna come speak?
James got all this done.
You gonna come to my house?
It's pretty sunset tonight.